Bhaktamar Stotra, Eulogy of Lord Adinatha, verse number 6. It's again the power of devotion. Come to the prose order of verse number 6. It starts from Al Pashrutam Shrutavatam Parihasadhanam. Alpa Shrutam, that means it's knower of few scripts. Shrutavatam, that means by proficients or the masters of scripts. Parihas Dham, that means becoming ridicule, or can say becoming it's worthy of ridicule. It's RI. Next line contains the words Tad Bhakti Eva Mukhari Kurute Balat Mam. Tad, that means your, Bhakti, it's devotion, Ev, that means only, Mukhari Kurute, inspiring, or Balat, that means forcefully, or can say forcefully, Mam, to me. Third line contains the words Yat Kokilaha Kil Madhav Madhuram Viramti. Yat, that means the one. Kokila, it's cuckoo. Kil, that means for sure. Madhav, it's during spring season. Madhuram, that means in sweet sound. And last one is Virauti, that means makes sound cool. And the last line of verse number 6 contains the words Tat Cha Amra. Tat Chandra, it's Tat Cha Amra. Due to Sanskrit Vyakaran, it is stated Char Kalika Nikar Ek Hetu. Tat Cha, that means in that. Amr, it's mango, or can say of mango. Charu Kalika, it's of sprouts. Nikar Ek, Nikar, that means collection only. Ek, or can say Nikar is collection only. Ek Hetu, only the cause. Now, come to the complete meaning of words in form of chart. First of all, one side it is talking of me, and another side talking of cuckoo, that means kokila. What about me? I am Alpashrutam, that means knower of few scripts. विद्यत् विद्यत् श्रुतवतां परिहासधाम श्रुतवतां परिहासधाम, that's mean becoming the worthy of ridicule by proficient my features. My, that means here talking of Manutungacharya, the author of this Bhaktamba Stotra which you are hearing. Now here Tvad Bhakti Rev, that means your devotion only. Next side it is Tat Charu Kalika Nikreka. What are the causes behind? One side there is your devotion, and for cuckoo it's mango sprouts. Balat Mukhari Kurute, that means your such devotion is forcefully inspiring me to come up with your theology. And here it's Kil Madhav Madhuram Virauti, that means the mango sprouts are forcing cuckoo to come up with sweet sound coo during spring season. Now very carefully listen the complete meaning of this verse number 6. O God, credit of making sweet sound coo by cuckoo during spring season goes to mango sprouts. In the same way, your devotion is inspiring me forcefully to go for your theology. Though I am not that much proficient and becoming the worthy of ridicule in front of proficients. In this way, we discussed about the complete description of verse number 6.